Hello everybody. Today I decided to do a canvas, and today I will be using the Jaquard Pinata black ink mixed along with Meyspring's charcoal black. I will also be using Jaquard Pinata copper ink mixed along with Meyspring's pure copper. I will be using the Pinata Baja Blue, that's this one, along with the Meyspring's Mermaid Dust. I blended these all so that I could just have some type of alcohol ink along with mica powder. So I already have everything mixed. I will be using my hands mostly on this. I'm not gonna use mostly my hands. I'm sorry. I wanted to use mostly my hands on it, but I think that this way right here, it'll be a little bit less messier. So I'm just gonna spread this out on the edge. Doesn't look too dark, huh? I haven't prepared my canvas at all besides taking the back of it and I taped it all up. But this is just a trial. So I'm gonna see how it turns out. By the way, I am using an Artist Loft second level canvas. I do like the Artist Loft canvases. Being that I'm such a newbie, I don't want to use the level 3 just yet, but they are so much better, the level 3s. When I get a little bit better, then I'd say, okay, it's time, but just not yet. So let me go a little bit faster. I said I was going to use my fingers, so I think that's what I'm going to do. Just try to get all of this black out. Y'all want to make sure that your canvas is level. I think mine is about level as it can get considering the table that I do have. I'm hoping sometime in the near future I will have something else. Just gonna plop that there and get to work with spreading, because this resin is a little warm. I wish it wasn't as warm, but it is. So I'm a little slow sometimes with getting started and getting my thoughts together. So that's how I ended up having my my resin to get a little warmer than what I wanted it to get, because I wasn't solely prepared. I had been sick all week, and so I decided today I will try to video out for you guys and see how far I get. Like I said, I am a little tired, and I've only been out here long enough to just get it mixed, and that was it. Just to get it mixed, and I'm already pooped. So I do have a little layer going around the sides. It's very thin, y'all, okay? It's very thin. And what I'm gonna do now, which I don't have my stuff together again, I don't have my baby wipes out. I needed to open a new pack, and I don't have any close by, so I'm just gonna have to go for what I know. So I am gonna take and use my blower, only to make the resin a little more fluid, and so that I can get everything else poured on. I know there are some light spots, there are some dark spots, but I'm really not worried about that part. Not right now anyway. So now I'm going to pour the teal along with the mermaid dust, and I only have a little bit, y'all, because I didn't know what all I was gonna do. So here we go. Little splish splash here or there. Nothing all that awesome. Just putting colors up here, okay? And that is pretty color. Oh my. What was I thinking? I don't know, but it was good. I wanted something with this color, and so there, I have something. So let's go ahead and pour on the copper. Now, I don't know exactly how I want to do the copper. I just want it done. So I will start with doing something like this, okay? This is where we find our inner art. When we're just splashing and we're playing and it gets kind of messy, and that's how our art begins, with a bit of messiness, okay? I really didn't want to just so-called pour the copper up there, but it does look good, y'all. I'm not kidding. It does look good. I like that. This is nothing by far very beautiful or anything like that, but it is art. And if you really think about it, art is beautiful in someone's eyes. And like I said, we're not doing anything in particular there with the design. We just put it up there. And now I use my heat gun. I don't know what direction I want to go with this, but hey, we're gonna start it. Just to soften up those lines that I threw up there. Okay. Soften up those lines. Make those lines blend in a little. Make everything blend. Get it warmed up, move it, spread it. And that's how you can make everything work out. Get it warm, start to push. Get it warm, start to push. Okay? And hopefully with the alcohol ink and with the mica powder, I'll start to develop cell-like activity within this canvas. Okay, you see what all I've done so far? Warm it up, move it. Warm it up, start to push. Warm, push, warm, push, warm, push, warm, push. Keep doing it until you see the lines start to soften up. Okay? And as you're doing it, you get to create all of these nice effects. Warm it and push it. 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 Okay? We're almost done here, guys. I tried to do something really quick so I wouldn't keep you very long today. Warm and push. Warm and push. Okay. Trying to see what else I want to do to it. Okay. Now, I'm happy with this. I really am. But it's something that it's missing. I don't know what it is just yet, but it's something that is missing. But I'm going to leave it alone. I'm not going to mess with it. I'm going to take it as it is, because not all work comes out, you know, perfectly, such as what I just done. So I'm wiping around my edges because I want my edges to be nicely done. Okay. Now we're going to take, and I don't think I have any bubbles, but just in case, maybe one or two here or there. Just go over it quickly. Don't stay in the same place at one time. Please don't. You will take and destroy, and I mean really destroy, your work, because you will burn your resin. Now I do see a little, like it's little bubbles in here, but I think it's something that's actually on the canvas. So in order for me to take care of that, what you need to do is take you a toothpick, a barbecue, take one of those, take something. See there, it was something in my paint. Not my paint, but my resin. I took it and pushed it over to the side. And what I'm gonna do, I don't know what all of this stuff is that I see. It's something here or there. It's nothing major, but I don't like it. Let's get this off of the canvas. Okay, so here's a close-up, and you see all of that detail, all of those effects. They look nice. Hopefully I'm not taking you too fast, but look at that webbing. Okay, all of that are just nice effects, and overall I'm happy with this, especially for a last minute thing that I was doing. I'd like to add something else to it, but I'm afraid I'll mess it up if I do it. So I will show you the ending result.